Meaning of exhausting.
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 Exhausting. The term exhausting refers to a state of extreme physical or mental exhaustion that is caused by prolonged and intense activity. This can result in feelings of fatigue, loss of energy, and overall weakness. People who are experiencing exhaustion may find it difficult to concentrate or complete tasks and may also experience physical symptoms such as headaches or muscle pain. Overall, the result of exhaustion is a significant decrease in a person's ability to function at their normal level and a need for rest or recovery in order to regain their strength and energy.